क्राक साननिसिमि भारतनि आरिमुरखनाय BSF बिन्दियानि त्रिपुरा फन्टेर्सनि लुवाजिखा बै आउटलाव अंगानो खोखो थुंमुं बादायलायमुं अ बादायलायमुंगो भारत हादरनि गोबां थायो तंनाय BSF नि काइजिथाम फन्टेर्सनि बादायनाय रग बादायानो कक्तेसाला आउटला सालबागान आमसेनि BSF फन्टेर्सनि हेडक्वार्टारनि बखाखै कक्तमानो साका के लोहिया
Tentatively, we have kept the time for 3:30, 15:30 hours tomorrow. As you all know, that sports is given a big priority in BSF, and through sports we want to actually integrate people from all over the country should come to every part of the country, see, and then kind of become brand ambassadors. So Tripura has got a huge opportunity in this with the new government in seat, and with this grand competition coming up, I am sure that sporting festival activities for the next 3 days here in Tripura. এটা করতে গেলে আমাদের না কেবল আপনাদের শুভেচ্ছা চাই, কিন্তু আপনাদেরও খুব অ্যাক্টিভ কোঅপারেশন চাই যে স্পোর্টস অ্যাক্টিভিটিস আপনারা ভালোভাবে কভার করুন, এটা ওয়াইড পাবলিসিটি করুন, আর এটাতে যদি কিছু আপনারা দেখেন যে কিছু আর করবার আছে সেটা আমাদেরকে বলুন. সো উইল বি হ্যাপি টু ডু দ্যাট. অ্যান্ড with this we will also be extending an invitation to all of you for tomorrow's opening ceremony. We are tying up some nitty-gritties as to the VIPs who will be coming, because the assembly session is going to be shortly commencing on 23rd. So we are having some difficulties in arranging the VIP to open this tournament, but shortly we will be doing that and we will be intimating that to you by Sundavila. I think I will be able to give that to you. So any questions on this? I'm enjoying your hospitality. देखते खूबी भालो बाचे हो रहा, and Shahid Bhagat Singh Hostel we have made arrangements for them to stay.
Is BSF for the first time is trying to promote Kho-Kho?
Yes. No. Kho-Kho is a sports which has been adopted by BSF long back. Okay. The responsibility of holding this inter-frontier tournament has been given to Tripura for the first time. Yeah.
So what is the reason behind it?
না রিজন কিছুই নেই, মানে ব্যাপারটা হয়েছে কি স্পোর্টস আছে তো প্রচুর অ্যাক্টিভিটি আছে, তো ইট হ্যাজ টু বি ডিভাইডেড among all the 13 frontiers equally. So there is no reason or particular for that. But since Tripura is known for football, I mean, যদি আপনি ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলের টিম দেখেন, I guess 50% of them are from here. Somdev Devarman, ATP player, is from here. Deepa Karmakar, the Olympian, is from here. The sports is very close to Tripura, that I know.
So it's been a primitive sport. Kho-Kho is a primitive sport. So we used to play when you were...
Yeah, exactly. So it's not a primitive sport.
Very few present generation doesn't know about Kho-Kho.
Yeah, that is why. We want to, kind of give it the glory that it deserves.